Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute and very beautiful pen stand which is made using ice cream sticks, and I will also share how to create these gorgeous paper quilling flower decorations. And the mint green color along with the pink color is looking very fabulous. The contrast colors are looking very beautiful. This is hexagon in shape, so I will share each and every step from scratch, how to do the assemble work, how to create the flower, how to arrange everything, and also I have done with little painting in the background. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking one yellow color craft paper and taking 3.8 cm radius and making one circle. Then using the same radius, I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts to create the hexagon shape. This is simple template to show how you create the hexagon shape. Now I am joining all these markings together so that you will get nice 6 sides hexagon shape. I have used 3.8 cm radius because the width of my ice cream sticks will be 3.8 cm after adding 4 sticks together. So you need to take it according to the measurement of your sticks, and you need to simply cut this using scissors. So here I have cut 2 sun boards with the same measurements, and I am joining both the layers together to create the base of the pen stand. Now here I am taking ice cream stick and taking 9 cm long cutout. So I am just chopping the excess stick from top in V shape so that it will look like the fencing. Now I am taking the sandpaper and just sanding the top portions to make it smooth. And with the same way we need total 4 sticks for one side. Now I am joining all 4 together. Then taking thin ice cream stick and just connecting in the center. So I'm just measuring it according to the previous design so that we'll have the thin sticks exactly in the same place. Now adding glue and sticking it on top of the base. And this is ready. So with a similar method we need total 6 panels for 6 sides. Now taking back the base, and one by one I am going to stick all these sides using glue. Then I am taking 8 by 2 cm craft cardstock, folding it from center and chopping the corners like this. And I am going to stick this cardstock strip inside the hexagon shape to construct the nice pen stand, to make the stand more sturdy and to grab all the panels together. So just adding glue on back side and connecting it inside the pen stand between 2 panels. Like this. Similarly, I have added the connectors between all the remaining panels. And the pen stand is completely ready. Now it's time to color the base. So this time I have chosen the color mint green To color the base, you can choose any color of your choice. This is the acrylic color, and I have just mixed little bit of blue green with lots of white to create this beautiful shade. Since the summers are going on, so light shades will be more apt for the season. And this is done. It's nicely dried. I have colored from inside and outside, and now it's time to do a little bit of painting work. So I'm making simple veins using green acrylic color and making some leaves here and there. Then using my dotting tool and yellow acrylic color, putting 3 dots to create the flowers. Like this. Then adding some small swirls using black permanent marker. And I have kept the center part as it is because we are going to cover this with quilling work. Now I'm starting with my first quilling flower. For this I'm taking 3 mm pink color strip and just creating 3 loops in increasing order. Just secure the end using glue, and then I am joining 2 more loop petals with this. Now wrapping this whole petal using purple color strip. And the petal is ready. Then I am joining 7 petals to create the flower. In the center of the flower I am adding half cut pearl using B7000 glue, and the flower is ready. Similarly we need 2 more flowers. Now to make filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm, making a tight teardrop shape. Then joining 5 petals together and making the flower. and adding yellow color stone in the center. So we need total 4 these type of flowers. Then to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color in 3 mm and making simple leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves. Then taking back my pen stand and start arranging all the flowers and leaves. Then randomly here and there I am sticking some small size half cut pearls. Like this. And our beautiful stand is completely ready. I have added the half cut pearls on both the sides. And instead of pearl you can also add the stones, small size stones or small mirrors. It's all up to you. And on the other side of pen stand I have kept it empty, but you can decorate with different styles of quilling flowers. So you can change the sides and you will have the new design. Now I'm putting lots of sketch pens inside this and it will be my crafting buddy for my next crafty journey. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.